After months of anticipation, Mystery at Blind Frog Ranch is finally returning with a brand new season, and it may be the most dramatic chapter the series has ever seen. Premiering Wednesday, May 27th on Discovery Channel, Season 6 promises major discoveries, dangerous new expeditions, and a surprising shift that completely changes the future of the treasure hunt at Blind Frog Ranch. Since the series first began, viewers have followed Duane Ollinger and his son Chad as they explored the mysterious underground cave systems hidden beneath the Utah property. Their mission has always centered around uncovering the legendary Aztec gold that many believe lies buried somewhere deep within the ranch. Along the way, the team encountered flooded tunnels, strange evidence, unexplained phenomena, and clues tied to ancient legends that only deepened the mystery surrounding the land. However, Season 6 introduces a massive turning point that no one expected. In the newly released trailer, Duane Ollinger delivers a statement that immediately shocked longtime fans of the show. Reflecting on the years spent chasing the treasure, he says, "When you're hunting for a treasure like this, time is never really your friend. There is a time you got to step down and pass it on to somebody else." His words strongly suggest that the legendary treasure hunter may finally be stepping back from the search that has defined the series from the very beginning. With that transition comes an entirely new team ready to take over the hunt. This season shifts its focus to Josh Feldman, who is determined to continue the search for the lost fortune hidden beneath Blind Frog Ranch. But Josh will not be working alone. In one of the season's biggest surprises, he reveals that he is bringing his father, Ron Feldman, into the investigation. According to Josh, treasure hunting has always been a major part of his life, and Ron is the person who taught him everything he knows about the craft. Josh explains in the trailer that there is no one more qualified to help lead the dangerous mission. The father and son partnership instantly creates a new dynamic for the series, replacing the familiar Ollinger family team with a fresh generation of investigators eager to crack the mystery once and for all. This season's investigation appears to center around a collection of cryptic clues found in an old Mormon journal. Josh and Ron believe the journal contains coded information that could finally lead them directly to the legendary Aztec treasure. Their search quickly uncovers several major discoveries, including a marked tree believed to contain hidden directions and what appears to be the entrance to an abandoned underground mine. As the team digs deeper into the ranch, they also uncover a series of hidden chambers that may be connected to the long-rumored treasure vault. The excitement surrounding the new season continues to build as Josh reveals that every clue pushes them closer to what they believe could be the key chamber, the final location that may unlock the entire mystery of Blind Frog Ranch. If their theories are correct, this could become the most important breakthrough ever seen on the show. Season 6 also appears to raise the stakes higher than ever before. The underground searches look more dangerous, the discoveries more significant, and the pressure more intense as the new team races against time to solve a mystery that has remained hidden for centuries. Fans can expect the same suspense, mystery, and high-risk exploration that made the series a hit, but this time with an entirely new direction and a renewed sense of urgency. With a brand new team leading the investigation and fresh clues pointing toward hidden chambers beneath the ranch, Season 6 of Mystery at Blind Frog Ranch may finally bring viewers closer than ever to the truth. Whether Josh and Ron Feldman succeed in uncovering the legendary Aztec gold or become the latest explorers consumed by the mystery remains to be seen. One thing is certain: Blind Frog Ranch is entering a completely new era, and fans will not want to miss what happens next. The mystery surrounding Blind Frog Ranch is entering an entirely new chapter. Following the dramatic revelations teased in the Season 6 trailer, the premiere episode of Mystery at Blind Frog Ranch, titled The Book of Rhoades, is set to push the treasure hunt into unfamiliar and potentially dangerous territory as a new team takes control of the search for the legendary Aztec gold. The upcoming episode immediately raises the stakes with a shocking development involving longtime ranch owner and treasure hunter Duane Ollinger. According to the official episode description, Duane falls ill at the beginning of the season, forcing him to step away from the investigation at a critical moment. For fans who have followed the series since the beginning, the situation marks one of the biggest turning points the show has ever experienced. For years, Duane served as the driving force behind every major excavation, underground dive, and risky expedition beneath the Utah property. His relentless determination helped transform Blind Frog Ranch from a mysterious piece of land into one of television's most talked-about treasure hunting locations. But with Duane temporarily unable to continue the search, the future of the expedition suddenly becomes uncertain. That uncertainty quickly gives way to a dramatic leadership change as Josh Feldman officially steps forward to take over the mission. Rather than abandoning the search, Josh appears more determined than ever to continue uncovering the secrets hidden beneath the ranch. However, unlike previous investigations, this time he is not working alone. Joining him is his father, Ron Feldman, an experienced treasure hunter who immediately becomes a central figure in the new season. The father and son partnership introduces a completely different dynamic to the series while maintaining the emotional family connection that has always been at the heart of the show. Episode 1 centers around what may become one of the most important discoveries in the history of Blind Frog Ranch, a mysterious Mormon journal known as the Book of Rhoades. According to the sneak peek, Josh and Ron believe the journal contains hidden clues connected to the legendary Aztec treasure believed to be buried somewhere beneath the property. The journal appears to become the foundation for the team's new investigation. Rather than relying solely on physical exploration of caves and tunnels, Josh and Ron begin focusing on historical evidence, coded writings, and long-forgotten records that may reveal where previous treasure hunters failed. The title itself, The Book of Rhoades, immediately suggests that the episode will dive deeply into the historical side of the mystery, potentially uncovering connections between Mormon settlers, hidden mines, and the lost Aztec fortune. What makes the episode especially intriguing is the growing belief that the clues contained within the journal are leading the team towards something much larger than they originally expected. Early footage from Season 6 has already teased discoveries involving marked trees, underground mine entrances, and hidden chambers buried beneath the ranch. Episode 1 appears ready to establish the roadmap for that entire investigation. The sneak peek also hints that Josh and Ron may possess a different investigative style compared to previous teams. Their approach seems more methodical and research-driven, combining field exploration with historical analysis in an effort to decode the mystery piece by piece. That strategic shift could potentially bring the team closer than ever before to solving the centuries-old legend surrounding Blind Frog Ranch. At the same time, the dangers beneath the ranch remain as serious as ever. Fans of the series know that every expedition into the underground cave system carries enormous risk. Flooded tunnels, unstable rock formations, toxic gases, and unexplained phenomena have all created terrifying moments throughout previous seasons. With a new team now pushing deeper into the mystery, the possibility of danger feels even more intense. The emotional weight of the episode may also become one of its strongest elements. Duane Ollinger's absence from the front lines of the search creates a major shift in the atmosphere of the series. Even though the treasure hunt continues, it is clear that the transition of leadership will play a significant role throughout the season. For long-time viewers, watching Josh Feldman step into that responsibility could become one of the defining storylines of Season 6. As the premiere approaches, excitement surrounding The Book of Rhoades continues to build among fans eager to see where the mystery leads next. The introduction of a cryptic Mormon journal, the arrival of Ron Feldman, and the growing belief that hidden clues are finally aligning all suggest that the new season could deliver the biggest breakthroughs the series has ever seen. Whether Josh and Ron ultimately uncover evidence of the legendary Aztec treasure remains unknown, but one thing is already certain: Blind Frog Ranch is changing forever. With Duane Ollinger sidelined and a new generation taking control of the hunt, Season 6 begins with higher stakes, deeper mysteries, and a renewed determination to uncover whatever secrets remain hidden beneath the ranch. Episode 1 of Mystery at Blind Frog Ranch, The Book of Rhoades, premieres Wednesday, May 27th on Discovery Channel. As Season 6 of Mystery at Blind Frog Ranch gets ready to premiere, one question continues to dominate conversations among longtime fans of the show. Can Blind Frog Ranch truly feel the same without Duane Ollinger and his son Chad leading the hunt? For years, viewers became emotionally invested in Duane's relentless obsession with uncovering the truth hidden beneath the mysterious Utah property. Are you surprised by Duane Ollinger's absence from the front lines of the treasure hunt? Did you expect the series to eventually shift toward a new generation of treasure hunters, or does this change feel completely unexpected? Do you believe Josh and Ron Feldman have what it takes to continue the search and uncover the legendary Aztec gold hidden beneath Blind Frog Ranch? Many fans are also curious about what role Duane may still play moving forward. Even if he is no longer leading every excavation, could he continue guiding the investigation from behind the scenes? Could his years of experience and knowledge still prove critical to solving the mystery? And perhaps most importantly, will the Feldmans succeed where previous searches failed? Season 6 already appears far more intense and mystery-driven than previous installments. The discovery of the Book of Rhoades, the cryptic Mormon clues, the hidden chambers, and the possible underground mine entrance all suggest that the investigation may finally be approaching a major breakthrough. But with new leaders now carrying the responsibility of the hunt, the pressure has never been greater. For some viewers, this dramatic cast transition may actually make the series even more exciting. A fresh team brings new theories, different strategies, and a completely new perspective on the ranch's secrets. Josh and Ron seem determined to approach the mystery in a more calculated and research-focused way, which could lead to discoveries unlike anything seen in earlier seasons. At the same time, longtime fans may understandably feel emotional watching the series move away from the Ollinger family dynamic that helped define the show for so many years. Duane's passion, stubborn determination, and willingness to risk everything became one of the main reasons audiences kept returning season after season. Watching someone else take over the mission will undoubtedly feel strange for many viewers. No matter where fans stand on the changes, one thing is undeniable. Season 6 has instantly become one of the most talked about chapters in the history of mystery at Blind Frog Ranch. Now we want to hear from you. Will you continue watching and supporting the show as Josh and Ron Feldman take over the treasure hunt? Do you think the mystery surrounding Blind Frog Ranch is finally close to being solved? Or do you believe Duane Ollinger's absence could completely change the identity of the series? Share your thoughts, predictions, and theories as the new season begins. And most importantly, do not forget to bookmark this page and check back regularly for the latest updates, episode breakdowns, hidden clues, and exclusive coverage from Season 6 of Mystery at Blind Frog Ranch. Episode 1, The Book of Rhoades, premieres Wednesday, May 27th on Discovery Channel, and if the early sneak peeks are any indication, fans may be about to witness the biggest breakthrough and biggest transformation the series has ever seen.